Alright, hey people of YouTube. So we've just had the engine apart on this, the front off it. Put a new timing belt on. The old belt was pretty severely, worn out. I think it's the original one to the van. One of the issues we've put the new belt on now, followed the instructions to the letter. But unfortunately, this belt walks off the pulleys, and it walks off at a very quick rate. We literally just cranked it over a few times. After it was all lined up, we did the thing where you hand turn it around on the bar. And we got to the point where we thought, we'll leave it off, and give it a start. All the tension was good and everything, so happy days. Started it up and the belt was just walking its way off. And I said, quick, shut it down, and it did do. And we've caught it at this amount of how much it's walking. We don't know why it's doing it. We can't figure it out. We don't know what's causing this to happen. So yeah, this is actually a problem I've never had on a timing belt before. It's the first time. So we'll see what's the cause. Just had a quick Google online, and it turns out that it could be a pulley that's sort of off at an angle, maybe, but I can't see how it can be. Because all the surfaces were smooth. There's no silly bits on it. It's weird. So yeah, we've got a new issue to actually contend with now, which is going to be fun. If the worst comes to the worst, we'll have to put all the old kit back on again and see if it's fine with the old stuff. Who knows, maybe it's just a bad what do you call it, a bad kit. And gates are usually pretty good. They're like the best. Everyone rants and raves about them being the best. But yeah, who knows? We're literally just looking everything over, see what the hell the problem is. Seriously, I doubt it was being idler that's causing it.
It's going to be that tensioner on positive. Not that much else it can be.
Everything was torqued up to the correct torque setting, which is in the what do you call it? Torque wrenches down there. Look, that was in the paper that the kit came with. Wherever that's disappeared to, somewhere about in the box, I bet. Yeah, naturally it's starting to rain here, so everything's getting wet now.
25 Newton meters.
So yeah. Interesting, not an issue I've had before. Alright, I'll keep you posted. Hopefully this can be fixed easy. Alright, this is attempt number 2, and it's starting to walk off again by rotating it by hand. Seems to be worse than it was before. Well, only given it 2 or 3 rotations, and already it's come right off the pulleys. Well, I'll say right off, but there's a definite amount. That one's not so bad, but it's one at the bottom here. It's starting to walk off quite a lot. So yeah, looks like it's going to become a bit of a nightmare. This, we don't know how to fix this. We're following the instructions to the T, literally. But it's here, the fault's here. So great stuff.